Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 26th, 2024. Told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve in the evening the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. And we have here the additional, and we have 3 puzzles left in this additional in the weekend edition. And I've already solved 2 of those puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left now. Yeah. The Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku number, this will be number 8082. Yeah, 8082. And before I start, I always print the digits. 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. I think it's also 0 stars. Anyway, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and a 2. Yeah, the 1 is already given. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes? I see here a quadro box. Well, when you see a quadro box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Okay. And these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Okay. More quadro boxes. Here we have a quadro box. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadro box should be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Do we have more quadro boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape that you need to recognize is, well, let me draw the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 or a 4 here. Well, it can be a 3. We have a 3 here. This box should be a 4. Alright? Is connected with that box, should be also 4. And here I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 should be there then. Alright. The L shape. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape in this puzzle is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. The other side. Oh no. Well, I need some room here. Let me zoom this out. Okay. Here we have some space here. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, Remember. And this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright? And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Makes up 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. And now these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Alright. Need to blow my nose. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes and there. I think there's 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes and there. Alright, and now, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, let me mark those. 2 and a 5. Here also the same numbers, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Not a solution to place the 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. That means that this box should be a 1. Can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, And that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. And now, to the 5, I need a 2. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 to 5, you have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 to 5, you have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. Faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Somewhere we're pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again, yes, tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.